Hello everyone, welcome in your English online class. Today our topic is use of conjunction but. Yes class, generally we make frequent use of this conjunction but in our day-to-day life. Now let us see the accurate use of but. The conjunction but, it deals with opposite contrast. Opposite contrast means different contrast and different ideas and different statements. When we are having two things that are opposite, that are presenting opposite ideas and both the statements are opposite, contrary to each other, we go with the use of conjunction but here. Let us elaborate the topic with the help of the examples. At first place we are having Mrs. Sumit is kind. We see that Mrs. Sumit is kind. The quality of Mrs. Sumit is her kindness. In the next sentence, Mr. Sumit is strict. Now we see that Mrs. Sumit is kind but Mr. Sumit is strict. So kindness and strictness both are opposite contrast, both are presenting opposite ideas. So we can combine both the sentences with the conjunction but. Mrs. Sumit is kind but Mr. Sumit is strict. Mr. Sumit is strict. We see that we are combining both the contrasting words with the conjunction but. Mrs. Sumit is kind but Mr. Sumit is strict. We have combined both the sentences with the conjunction but. But means lekin. One person is having kindness and the other one is having strictness. In the second example, I eat chocolate. My friend eats pastry. Now, we can, if we are combining it, both the sentences, how do we do? I eat chocolate but my friend eats pastry. मैं चॉकलेट खाता हूँ बट लेकिन मेरा फ्रेंड पेस्ट्री खाता है. नाउ अगेन द डिफरेंट ideas are given here, the different contrast are given here. We both the person are not doing with the same thing. We are not going with the same thing. We are following the different ideas. I eat chocolate but my friend eats pastry. In the next example we see Saurabh is my friend. Saurabh मेरा friend है. In next sentence Parmeet is not my friend. लेकिन जो परमीत है ना वो मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं है. नाउ अगेन both the sentences are presenting different actions, different works are being done here, different ideas are being presented in the sentences. So in order to combine these two, Saurabh is my friend but Parmeet is not my friend. सौरभ तो मेरा फ्रेंड है लेकिन परमीत मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं है. सो वी सी दैट द कंजंक्शन बट it deals with the opposite or different contrast, different statements and different ideas to combine them as a whole. I hope class that the use of conjunction is quite clear to you. Just go through the chapter again, try to elaborate your own sentences and keep on seeing, keep on learning. Thank you students. Good.